Okay, so now we're going to explore how fractions are division. What 1/3 really is that saying you're taking one whole and you're splitting it up into 3 equal groups. So, for example, if I had 6 divided by 5, okay? That's saying I'm taking 6 and I'm splitting up into 5 equal groups. And that would be 6/5, which is 1 1/5. All right, now what if I did 2/5? That's saying I'm taking 2 wholes and dividing it by 5. Okay, what if I did 2/3? 2 divided by 3 is equal to 2/3. All right, now let's look at these with word problems. So, take 2/3. The first number is the one I'm splitting up. So that would say I have 2 cookies and I'm sharing them with 3 friends. Each friend is going to get 2/3 of a cookie. So that's you got to be very, very careful with this, because if this is the number I'm splitting up, I have to make sure that that's correct. I can't say, oh, well, I have 3 cookies splitting between 2 friends. That's 3 divided by 2. So remember, the number you're splitting up is the first number. You're not splitting up your friends to feed to the cookies. And now, just because this number is first doesn't mean it has to be first in the word problem. I could say 3 friends shared 2 cookies. Just because this number is now first in the word problem doesn't mean that this isn't correct. This is still correct because I'm still splitting up 2. I'm still cutting up the 2 cookies to feed my 3 friends. So remember, the first number is the one you're splitting up. So for this one, I would be splitting up 6 cookies between 5 friends. So each friend would get 1 1/5 of a cookie. I'm splitting up 1 cookie with 3 friends. So each friend would get 1/3 of a cookie. Now, normally when your answer is just going to be a regular fraction, that's when the dividend, the first one, is smaller than the divisor, your second one. But it's okay if your dividend, the first one, is bigger than your divisor. That just means you're going to get an improper fraction, which just means it's greater than 1. So remember, fractions are division. So if you are doing a problem and you get 132 over 10, this is the exact same thing as 132 divided by 10. So, and we can solve that, just like when we did with reducing. Okay, so you know that that's going to be 13 2/10 if you solve that.